Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy coconut beans. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 slice of onion, 1 cube of soup which is Maggi or you can use jumbo, a half a lime, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, some coriander and green bell pepper grounded together. I have some coconut milk, you can use the fresh one or the canned one, 4 to 5 tomatoes cut into small pieces, some salt to taste, and lastly, boiled beans. In a medium-large pot, you're going to add some oil. Let the oil to heat up. Once hot, add the onions and cook the onions till they start turning color. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and the green bell pepper and the coriander grounded together and cook for at least 1 minute. Then afterwards, I'm going to add tomatoes. I've used the canned ones, about 400 grams, or you can use the fresh one. You can cut them into small pieces. Then sprinkle a bit of salt and let the tomatoes to cook till they become soft and juicy. Once your tomatoes are soft and juicy, you're going to add the spices, which are 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some Maggi cube. Then lastly, I'm going to squeeze a half a lime and mix everything well and let the stew to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. In terms of spices, I've used our homemade Laltia Swahili spices. I'll put our Instagram account and our contact in the description box so you can able to check out these 16 homemade Swahili spices. Once the tomatoes are soft and juicy, you're going to add the boiled beans and mix the stew and the beans very well. Once the stew and the beans are nicely combined, I'm going to add light coconut milk. I've divided the coconut milk into 2 to get thick and light coconut milk. This coconut milk, I've added some water, and then I'm going to pour a bit by a bit while mixing and let the coconut beans to cook slowly by slowly until they become thick. Let the coconut beans to continue to cook slowly by slowly until they're nicely cooked and the sauce thickens. Lastly, I'm going to pour the thick coconut milk. I'm going to pour a bit by a bit while mixing and let the coconut beans to cook for at least 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, our coconut beans are nicely cooked and ready, and remove them from the fire and serve in a bowl. Lastly, I'm going to serve my coconut beans in a bowl. Like you can see in the video, they're nicely cooked, very thick. Like these coconut beans are so tasty. And my tasty coconut beans are ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with mandazi, chapati, bread, rice, or anything that you like and enjoy your coconut beans. For those interested to buy these 16 homemade Swahili spices, I'll put the link and the contact in the description box so you can be able to check out these homemade Swahili spices. For further inquiries, you can follow us in our Instagram account or you can contact us for further information. We deliver around East Africa. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.